Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're at Hollywood Studios because Rock and Roller Coaster has been refurbished. It's ready, it's open, and it's time to ride. Come on in, check it out. So it's Jake and I. Jake, what's your favorite ride?
Rock and Roller Coaster.
Of course, it's Rock and Roller Coaster. So Rock and Roller Coaster, I think, just reopened maybe yesterday. And there's so many rumors going around about Rock and Roller Coaster. It's been shut down, refurbished for the past several months. Oh, they're getting rid of Aerosmith. They're bringing Queen music on. Oh, they're going to be all these different changes, and it's not going to be the way it used to be. Well, Jake and I are here today to finally put all these rumors to rest. We're going to go and show you guys what is going on with Rock and Roller Coaster. Is it still Aerosmith? What kind of changes did they make? Hopefully, one thing I'm hoping is that they updated the speakers in the ride vehicles. Sometimes when you'd go to ride, some of those speakers were almost just blown and you couldn't really hear the music so well. So that's the best part about the ride to me, is the music. But again, just reopened. And we're heading that way now, guys. If you see the Hollywood Tower Hotel, just bear to the left, that's where you'll find the Rock and Roller Coaster. Let's go see exactly what this refurbishment was all about. And I'm really hoping it's still Aerosmith. So guys, here we are. We're entering into the Rock and Roller Coaster area. First thing I'm seeing right there, right? Rock and Roller Coaster, starring Aerosmith. So obviously I would assume Aerosmith is still going to be featured, or that would be a very terrible refurbishment, right? So you got your stretch here, guys. It's very cool. Everything here seems to be exactly the same to me. Jake, what are you thinking?
Now looks basically the same.
So far everything looks good. Yeah, and of course the Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith, the guitar here, guys. Let's go have a nice look at that. This is one of the things I can remember the first time I ever rode it. I was like, that is so cool, man. Like, you know the ride's gonna be cool in the way that they make it look just like the track coming off the neck of the guitar. That is so awesome, man. And there they are, still their marquee there, the Rock and Roller Coaster, starring Aerosmith. I like the license plate, says Disney World. So far, everything seems to be intact. I know they painted this. They might have even painted this before they actually did the refurbishment shutdown. And I do like the little keyboard in front, Jake.
Yeah.
So, very cool theming here. And G-Force Records in front of the queue. So let's start getting ready to head in. And Jake, I'm curious, do you think there's going to be any changes in there? I think so far it looks like it's just a regular refurbishment. Looks like it's going to be the same ride and just cleaned up and painted, maybe. Let's go find out. Is everything in here definitely looks to be the same. Don't see any changes so far. Nothing major has changed, so let's see. Getting ready to get on in. Get up a little close, Jake. There they are, guys. Aerosmith. Show you a couple clips of this pre-show.
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No. Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Wait
a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah. Come on.
Maybe I love the backstage passes. Please make sure you move all the way to the alley. All the way to the stage. That part in.
So I know it's dark, but one big change, guys. Used to be a cast member that would yell out, "Steven, how about some backstage passes?" So I did not hear that this time. Not much of a change, but that did not occur. So let's head on in. I know it's a little dark, guys. I apologize. I'm gonna probably just turn the camera so you can see some of the, maybe a little bit, but look at that. So guys, the idea is the theming is in your, we're in a parking garage and we're down here getting ready to jump into our limo to get to the gig. So that's kind of the theming. As you can see, Disney sticks to their theming. And so far, this just seems like a refurbishment of the ride. I don't see any kind of re-theming or anything like that. So everything kind of looking pretty cool. There's one thing I was curious about with the refurbishment is, let's see if the music is a little bit louder. Let's see if they've improved on the speakers. Let me know in the comments of the video if you guys can even hear the music at all. I'm gonna do my best. It is a dark ride, as you can see, but we'll just run it right through the ride and let's see how it goes. Jake, what's your first impressions of the ride, Jake?
It's a bit better. The music is just so much clearer, but your head still bumps around.
It's always been a little bumpy, but the music is much better. Before, you used to have to kind of almost lean your head all the way back in the seat to get to where the speakers are. Now I could hear the music. It was awesome. And when you come off the ride, guys, Aerosmith alive and well still here at Rock and Roller Coaster, as you can see. Plenty of merch. Now, I noticed on a lot of the merch, at least recently, they did take Aerosmith off of the merch. So hard to find merch that does say Aerosmith. Just to give you an example, like here you'll see the Rock and Roller Coaster without the Aerosmith. Again, here, again, I'll show you. So that though was going on before the refurbishment. So maybe they'll bring it back, because to me, the ride definitely not re-themed, still all Aerosmith, speakers way better now. You can hear the music so much better, and that was the big thing about it, and still lots of fun. So, and here you have it, all your merch. And then they have regular Disney merch. They also have like a little photo area here where you can do some different fun photos. And when you come off the ride, you can scan where we were, where Aerosmith was playing. You can scan your card there and get your picture if you have the photo pass from your ride. So guys, I think overall, still loving Rock and Roller Coaster with Aerosmith. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World today. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!